In my opinion, there are three rules which are the core to build an effective working environment in a technology company. They are used in my company. First, this is respect colleagues. Re- Respect each other is the important thing of efficient working environment. We can work and interact better. If you respect your colleagues, you'll have more chance to work and share experience together. It helps to create a friendly working environment. That's about interaction. The second one is about the copyright. In my company, we are not allowed to use bootleg version of any software. Or you can find and download them so easily on the internet. Although they are free, they are not safe. Your computer can be affected with virus. My friend tried to download a bootleg Microsoft version and then his computer was cracked. It's very dangerous. And the last rule is do not use the copyright without owner's permission. About some works, tools, and documents, you need to request the authors before use it. This is the way you respect his ownership and effort. Last week, I need to use my college documents about machine learning. So I asked him may I use it and took the permission. That's how I respect his ownership. On my view, all the rules are very important. There are many impact on my working environment. It makes friendly, balanced, and effective. And they are all I want to have the best work. Thank you.